Hi, so I hope you're all well. This is Lisa from jolisa.com. Today I have a few things I want to do, but you know what? First, I want to apologize. I wanted to share with you. Well, let's start where it started. I heard that there was going to be some really good weather, right? So I planned to do some jerk chicken. I wanted to do it outdoors because when you're outdoors with the nice weather, it's really lovely to sit outdoors and eat and drink and so on. But then came bad weather, but I had already marinated my meat for doing it jerk style. So I did it in the oven in the house still, but I didn't remember to share the process with you. But I did get some footage, so the footage I've got, I'm going to share that with you. So look forward to that. So this is the whole chicken that I'm going to be using to jerk. Jamaicans just love jerk chicken. And what I do first is to cut it in half. I want to do it in just two halves instead of pieces. So what I do is to cut it in half, and then I clean out all the bits that we don't want from the inside of the chicken. And I also clean the outside of the chicken. Now, I know some people say don't wash your chicken, it's not right because, and I understand both views, right? I understand both sides of the story. So, one, if you're washing your chicken in your sink, which perhaps is next to your dishes and so on, they might get splattered or splashed with some of that water. And then we all know that chicken, or should all know, that chicken is one of those high risk foods which might have salmonella, which might get spread around on your tap, on your countertop and sink and so on. And then that's where the danger lie. Because others might come in not knowing that you've just done that and then use all those areas to prepare raw food. Then they get they get cross-contaminated and they are likely going to get food poisoning. So I understand that view. However, there's the other view that most Jamaicans hold, that your chicken, when it comes to you fresh from the factory or from the farm or from the supermarket, it's really not clean enough. And for example, there's lots of feathers on it and the inside bits that you don't eat, they're still in it. So what do you do? So I use lemon juice or lime juice or real lime or lemon or vinegar to clean with some water, of course, with in a large bowl, and clean the chicken that way. After we've cleaned out the giblets and the feathers from the chicken, then we wash it with not salt, but vinegar water or lemon or lime water. So that's what I was doing here. And then after it's cleaned, then I put some markings on it. You know, we like our meat well seasoned, and this we do like a day before the actual day that we're going to cook it. So I put some marks on the chicken, and then I make my marinade, and I want to get the marinade down into the chicken, into the bones, the grooves under the skin. Of course, you can also jerk barbecue your chicken in portions, so you can cut the legs, the thighs, the wings and so on off the chicken, cut them into smaller pieces so that you marinate it that way, and it's easy as well to marinate. And if you do want to see a video on how to portion a chicken, because lots of people don't know how to do it, that's just one of the things. So we have a whole video on how to portion a chicken right, so that you get the right parts cut off at the joint and then get to marinate it that way. So we'll share a link to that video below, so look out for that. So this is my rub, my jerk rub that I've made, and I'm using it to get into those cuts of the chicken, get under the skin, get it all over, so that when the chicken is being cooked, it will just ooze flavor. All the flavor mixed with the juice from the meat will be so delicious. So the chicken was soft and succulent. It was cooked to perfection, I'm telling you. Nice, spicy, succulent Jamaican jerk chicken. Done in the oven because it rained. So I hope you were inspired by that, and I hope you'll try jerk chicken one day. It's really, really, really nice.